Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Since I am completely new to many of you, at first I should introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Moshir Rahman. I come from Brahmanbaria, one of the districts of Bangladesh. I completed BA Honours and MA in English in the Department of English from the Islamic University at Kustia in Bangladesh. I also studied on English language in the Department of English from Dhaka University at Dhaka in Bangladesh. One important point to note here, please don't try to copy the book for any commercial purpose because there is copyright here. This video is done only for the welfare of the students. Okay, let's start. Now I am going to teach you about synonym and antonym, which are very important for learning English. Dear students, don't skip the video lest any important points should be missed here. Synonym and antonym. Synonym is such a word as expresses same meaning. The synonym of a word becomes the same parts of speech. Whenever any synonym is used in a sentence, its synonymous word must be the same part of speech. That is to say, if a word is noun, its synonym must be a noun. In the same way, in case of verb, its synonym must be a verb. Like before, in case of adjective, its synonym must be an adjective. Finally, in case of adverb, its synonym must be an adverb. For example, look at some words. Word beauty, attractiveness. Look at the example. The word beauty is a noun. Its synonym is attractiveness, is also a noun. So this example is taken for granted. In the same way, look at other example. Beautify is a verb. Its synonym attract is also a verb. In the same way, beautiful is adjective. Its synonym is attractive. Is also an adjective. Okay, finally, beautifully is adverb. Its synonym attractively is also adverb. So these examples are taken for granted. On the other hand, antonym is such a word as expresses opposite meaning. The antonym of a word becomes the same parts of speech. That is to say, if a word is noun, its antonym must be a noun. In the same way, in case of verb, its antonym must be a verb. Like before, in case of adjective, its antonym must be an adjective. In case of adverb, its antonym must be an adverb. For example, beauty. The word beauty is a noun and its antonym is darkness. It's also a noun. So this example is taken for granted. Beautify. This word is a verb and its antonym is darken. It is also a verb. So this example is also taken for granted. Look at other example. Beautiful is an adjective. Its antonym is dark. This word is also an adjective. So this example is taken for granted. Look at the last example. Beautifully. The word beautifully is an adverb and its synonym is darkly. This word is also an adverb. So this example is also taken for granted. If you look at more words, you can find the same examples, same words. Word synonym. Look at some words. form, this word is a verb or noun, and its synonym is shape. It is also a verb and noun. Entertainment, it is a noun, and its synonym is recreation. It is also a noun. Organize, this word is a verb. Its synonym is arrange. It is also a verb. Sponsor, this word is verb or noun, and its synonym is help. It is also a verb or noun. Watch, this word is noun or verb. Notice, it is also noun or verb. Obviously, it is an adverb. Its synonym is certainly. It is also an adverb. Prestige, it is noun. Its synonym is honor. It is also a noun. National, it is an adjective. Its synonym is domestic. It is also an adjective. Variety, it is noun, and its synonym is diversity. It is also a noun. Important, it is adjective. Its synonym is significant. It is also an adjective. Popular, its antonym is unpopular. These two words are adjective. Multinational, its antonym is national. These two words are adjective. Pay, its antonym is loan. These two words are noun or verb. Maximum, its antonym is minimum. These two words are noun. Recognition, it is a noun. Its antonym is refusal. It is also a noun. Unique, it is adjective or noun, and its synonym is public. It is adjective or noun. Native, it is adjective or noun. Its antonym is foreign. It is adjective or noun. Image, this word is verb or noun. Antonym, its antonym is disappear. It is also verb or noun. The word is control. This word is verb or noun. Its antonym is decontrol. It is verb or noun. The last example, intelligibility, is an example of a noun, and its synonym, its antonym is ambiguity. It is also a noun. So, dear students, thank you very much for watching this video attentively. Please subscribe the channel to find recent uploaded videos. Okay, keep well. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.